Winter is round the corner. It's time for grasses. You take a walk in the wild and they come with you in the form of awns that get attached to your clothes. It's their urge to travel, to spread, to prosper. When grasses, breeze, and twilight come together, it's a magical scene. I watch them from a distance. I can't resist a walk through them. I carry awns with me and a few memories. Hello, I started with a wash. I read the skies, the yellows for the grass, and the tree line at the back. I wanted to give a very soft effect. For the trees, I used an old brush and added some blue tack in the center of the brush and pressed it hard on the table. While painting the trees, I'm carefully leaving the area for the grass. At this point, I was very confident and feeling romantic about my affair with the grass painting. It's tricky to paint grass, especially if you want to add a nice foggy, misty morning to your scene. Creating the density and the vibrancy of grass can be difficult. I don't have a set technique for this particular try for a painting, although one thing is essential: patience. I started with using masking fluid to save some white blades of the grass, and that was the first thing that went wrong because I had not thought through the direction of the grass. I just applied the masking fluid everywhere. This is the thing about painting grass, it makes you get carried away, and I did just that. I painted a piece here and another somewhere, and before I knew it, there are spotty blades of grass with no purpose or direction. I really wanted to leave some spaces for the viewer's imagination. I tried telling myself that I should not paint every blade. Let the viewer's eye do the work. When it comes to details like this, less is more. But I kept on painting every blade. For the trees in front, I just use a crumpled paper instead of a brush. This is effective and it doesn't take much time. Our brain tries to help us paint grass using the symbol that we have known, the lines or the strokes, exactly how we drew grass as a child. And then we end up with a fence of rigid rows of grass. This is something that happens without our knowledge. Anyhow, I hope you don't get too discouraged by this. It's good to share your journey or a process of a painting and even talk about the mishaps. That's one way of knowing what not to do. I learned a lot and I'm surely going to give this another go. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.